Hello, I'm Russell Delaney, and in this video we'll be unboxing the RD60 red light panel manufactured by Red Dot LED. This is how it comes packaged. This is the shipping container, and then that's the actual package. So it's got a nice box and some foam to protect it. Here's the power cord, and here's the power supply. You have a set of protective eyewear. Here are some tools. This looks like they give you a screwdriver. And there's a couple of wing nuts. Okay, here's the unit itself. Here's the LED panel. And they give you a nice case for it because, of course, it's portable. It's got two compartments on the sides. Okay, so we'll set that aside. Now here's the unit. This is very attractive for how small it is and still very rugged like all their other units. It's heavy construction, nice metal, and there you go. Looks like you have, this is a power switch here. Oh, it's already charged. It comes charged. And then you have the power input right here. So, obviously we could plug it in, but the unit is already, it comes pre-charged. So if we were to plug it in anyway, all we would have to do is plug it into the top connector right here, plug the power cord into the power supply, and then we'll plug that into an outlet. But obviously it can run independent of that. There's the red light output. You can see that looks pretty intense. I have a red light meter here. We can measure it. And close up it's getting about, it's close to 10 on the scale. 11, 12 I'm getting close up here. At about a 5-inch exposure here right out of the box. Where, yeah, that's still the average is right around 10 on the output. This is pretty good for how small it is. So that's the unit. Obviously very portable, and that's what it's made for. Just like their larger units, but just scaled down basically. And again, there it is without the power connected. Just runs on its internal battery right there. So this is available, of course, on esbservice.com. Hope you liked the video. If you do, please like, comment, and subscribe.